How to set custom ringtone on WhatsApp Android? For that, open your WhatsApp on your Android, then tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Go to Settings on this drop down menu box, and on the Settings page, tap on Notifications. As you can see, here are different notifications of different topics, that is, the messages, groups, and the calls. You just have to go to Notification Tone, and here it has been set to default. If you want to set custom ringtone, at the top you can see custom. Under that, tap on this device, and from here you can select music or recordings and select any one of them and get back. And after that, it says that only the first 5 seconds of a custom tone will be played. So in this way you can set the message custom ringtone. Come back from this page and scroll, and you can do the same for groups as well as for the calls. You can go to ringtone and set to custom ringtone on WhatsApp Android. That's it. Thank you for today and thanks for watching.